are shipping out a bunch of bags today. It is a Friday afternoon. Usually we go live on the evening times at 9 p.m. Eastern time each night and showcase bags from our website. So in the afternoon, sometimes I'll go live and I'll ship bags out live because it gives me some companionship while we're shipping. But I've got all of these bags to ship. I've got an Artsy, I've got a Neverfull pouch, which is pretty rare to get in. I have a Neverfull GM, we don't see that often, and lots of other beautiful bags to ship out today. So we do that live on TikTok. That's what we're doing right now. New style Gucci bag, and it's in this really cool coated canvas cream color with the sherry line stripe, a Fidio stripe, whatever you want to call it, right down the middle, and a really pretty brown cotton sling. So this is just a really cool everyday bag. I told the people on TikTok live the other day that if it didn't sell tonight that I was probably going to keep it because it was such a cool bag. This is a Louis Vuitton Amazon, which is one of my best-selling vintage styles. I get them fairly often. I think I have another one going on the site tonight. And all the Amazons the last few days have only been lasting like a day or two on the website. So if you want an Amazon, all the ones that I get on the site are always really good pricing. Obviously, depending on condition, usually between $6.95 and $9.95. So. And then if a bag does not come with its original dust bag, we do include one of our custom Milk Honey Collection dust bags for you. Want you to be able to keep your bag safe. So if you are interested in one, definitely subscribe to the website and we'll send you a discount code or subscribe to our email list. When you get to the website, there's a pop-up where you can do that. And then we'll send you a discount that you can use on your first purchase, and we will give you first dibs on new arrivals. And like we mentioned before, everything on the table here is already sold. If you want to see our current inventory, it's on our website, milkhoneycollection.com. That's linked in our bio. Click the website. When you get to the website, subscribe to our email list. We'll send you a discount that you can use on your first purchase, and we will send you first dibs on new arrivals. Now for around 16 something, and I think the 1680 I want to say, and the price on this one, the customer used a new customer code, I believe, and I want to say she got it for $1,075, and they sell for $1680 new in stores. And the only flaw on it was just some minor scuffing in the corners. She grabbed herself a really great snag pickup.
Hey guys, everything we sell is authentic secondhand designer bags. milkhoneycollection.com, you can see our complete inventory and pricing there.
gonna do this Gucci Jackie. And this one, I think the price was only $6.95 for a Gucci Jackie, which is a really, really good price. It's like a felt material, so it's a really good winter bag, and then it's got black leather throughout it. Really cool bag, and then you press the button, Jackie locking system. Inside is just a nylon interior, and just a very clean bag, but you don't usually see Jackies around that price point, so it was a good pickup from that customer. All right, let's see. Speedy 40 is next. I don't get a lot of Speedy 40s in, so when we do, it's pretty special. This one didn't last very long. I think it lasted less than a day, maybe. I'm gonna ship it stuffed. In stores sells for close to $4,000. So getting one secondhand, I think this one was $19.95. It's funny, I had a customer at the last event that we did in Houston, and he was walking by and he had just showed me the bag that he bought his wife, and it was a black empreinte artsy, and he said that he bought it at the Louis Vuitton store. He told me how much he bought it for, which was like around $4,500. And I told him about a black empreinte artsy that I had just sold for, that was in really good condition, for around $24, I believe. He almost wanted to throw up. He didn't really know about the secondhand market, that it was a thing. So now he's gonna get his wife her bags from us. This one is new condition, comes with the box and the dust bag. Also would have made a really good gift if you're looking for a gift right now, because it is a full set. And I'm gonna bubble wrap the box up. Last, we have a Neverfull GM size, which is pretty rare to get this size in. This is I think it could possibly be our first ever Neverfull GM that we've sold. And it did not last long. I think it lasted definitely less than 24 hours, maybe less than 12. Did not stay on the website for very long. Okay, we just finished packing. I believe it was 11 items, 11 different orders, and we did it all on TikTok Live. took me a little longer because I didn't have all the right box sizes, but we finished and we will get these shipped out tomorrow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below. Let me know of all of these orders which one you think was the best purchase.